See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
Say what? Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Say what? Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homie. The very first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, walk on the line. Say what? You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. And you know what I need. Ooh, say what? You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. You know what's up, said I'm big on you, and I'm wanting you. So tell me what's up, People find that I'm zoning, right around 2 in the morning, losing fly with the sun just on. Think I feel a phone coming on, girl, you got me wide open, waiting all day and I'm hoping, so baby don't front, backseat cheek, you know what I want. Say what? You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Say what? You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Oh, I'm digging you. I'm digging you. Yeah. You know what's up. Said I'm big on you, and I'm wanting you. So tell me what's up. I'm digging you. I'm feeling you. You know what's up. Said I'm big on you, and I'm wanting you.
Alright, y'all, this is the finished look of this unit, and the look I was trying to go for was like 90s, like Nia Long type ish. So let's get into this wig. So this wig is from Amazon. I was gifted this beautiful wig from if I butcher this, I do apologize, but this is from Mofyue, the Mofyue store on Amazon. Now this is a short black human bob wig, and it does have bangs. Now the bangs, I did not want to cut them because I don't know, I just didn't want to cut them. I like how it looks, but if I were to put them in my face, they come up like literally by my eyeballs. So that's why I thought of like a side bang for this unit, and I think it's really cute. It gives like very 90s type ish, you know what I'm saying? Also with this wig, it is 180% density, and I did get 12 inches. Now I was thinking about doing shorter, but I honestly, like, I like the length, but I was thinking about cutting it shorter. But it's actually still like really cute like this. Like, I was just trying to give off a nice 90s vibe type look for this unit. But yeah, this is it. And I will say, like, this makes me feel like I'm in a movie. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. It makes me feel like I'm in a movie, and I just love how it looks on me. I kind of look like my mom. So if you're watching this, you can come take this wig if you want to. But yeah, I kind of look like you right now, because this used to be her little thing before she got into like her box braids. But anyways, enough of her. There is literally like no parting space, so the only like lace type thing that you see is right in the middle. Now you can barely see that. It's there, but you can barely see it. I actually just put my Eben tinted spray on it, and I didn't put it inside the lace, I put it on the outside. It's not really like one of those type of lace that you could just put like your concealer or your tint spray like on the inside, so that's why I had to put it on the outside. But yeah, overall I do like this wig. Like I said, it gives off 90s, and I love how I look in the camera. Like, I look like a 90s girl, and it is so cute. But yeah, this is going to be the end of the video. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and if you are not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.